Choo-choo, it's your girl Kamani on iTunes, yeah. Okay, so what's up, you You already know it's your girl Kamani Bester. Sorry I wasn't posting that much because I just got my new phone and stuff. I had my old phone and clearly my video came because when I had the old phone, so go check out my channels. Yeah. So I'm just giving you a good idea for tonight. Tonight I'm gonna be vlogging me slime. I'm not sure if my cousin gonna be there when I get there, but it's gonna be me vlogging slime. Like I'm probably gonna be leaving about, I don't know, but it's gonna be me and my cousin vlogging slime. And we're gonna be doing some type of, we're gonna do fluffy slime. Okay, like everyone else. It didn't feel like it's about to rain out here. I have to charge my camera up because yeah. But I'm outside right now, as you see. I feel a little, like, a little out, like I just waked up. But I ate a huge cake for my birthday. It's tall because it got rainbow. It's rainbow on the inside, and the lady that worked, my grandma said it was going to be sweet, and it was sweet. It was good and sweet, and now I feel dizzy. So, just let that head up. Y'all might be seeing it about to start to pour down in a minute. Yes. Yes. Hold on. So I'm just waving at my cousin. So, yeah. I was like throwing up. Well, not throwing up. Like using the bathroom a lot, and I didn't know if I had everybody kept saying I had got the virus, but I just had to run. It's like I think I'm gonna get braces, and I think a teeth growing in my mouth, so that's probably why. But yeah, so I'm gonna say yeah. See that she so I don't know about that, so y'all. My phone is on 5% that fast, but I'm gonna put it on charger, and I'll see y'all later on tonight. Let me see, it's still 5%, but I'll see y'all on later on tonight, and I finish talking to y'all about the rest of the stuff. Bye.